Hi, it's Sophia, and I'm going to show you how to use our online catalog. First, we're going to go to an internet browser, Safari, Chrome, whatever one you want to use. We're going to go to vermilionpubliclibrary.org website. From here, you'll see all the great options we offer you here at your library. But for now, we're going to go to Catalog and Your Account. This is the screen you'll see when you pop open this option. It looks like no one's logged on right now, so let's log on. Okay, so your username is going to be the barcode from the back of your library card. If you don't have that handy, give me a call at the Circ desk. I will tell you what it is. 2289900335066. Your password is going to be your last name in all lowercase letters. WERMERS. And let's log on and see how this works. Now we can see that I am logged on. Let's think of a book I want to read right now. Field Notes on Love. If you know me, you know I like cheesy young adult fiction. This one was one of my favorites I read. Let's see if I can reserve this to read it again. Okay, so we can see holdings. It looks like someone has it checked out right now. What a good choice they made. I want to reserve it, so I get it next. Okay, so it looks like I'm going to be first in line for Field Notes on Love. And we're going to confirm that information. So now it says, item reserved successfully. When this one comes back from the previous patron, they will give me a reminder via whatever way I choose. We can see where it is in my items. It looks like, if we scroll down, Field Notes on Love, I am first in line. And that's how you reserve a book from our online catalog.